Good. 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 How's that?
That was very good.
Good.
Oh yeah, that feels. Oh, it's so crazy how like you don't even realize how tight you feel. Because I'll do these at the gym too, and yeah, that feels so much better. It feels so much looser.
Okay, let's have you lay on your back. We'll start with your neck and we'll go from there.
Awesome.
Yeah, he was great.
Oh yeah, I mean, I like him.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna start up high here first, okay? Nice and easy. Good. Okay, then we're gonna go to the other side. Good. How's that?
That was very good.
Good.
Oh, the neck's my favorite.
I'm gonna go a little lower on this side. Right here. Good. I'm going to give you a little pull. Good. Awesome. Good decompression there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and have you lay on your side. You'll face me over here. I'm going to lift this up for you. So your head will go there, and your bottom leg will be straight. Top leg will be bent just like that. Perfect. And we'll go right here and there. Awesome. Okay. Nice and easy. Good. Other side. Perfect.
I got a little bobblehead.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. My brother got that for me. It was my graduation lunch right after graduation. He was like, "Hey man, stand against the wall. I want to get a photo of you." And I was like, he's like really close to my face. I was like, "What are you doing right now?" And then he was like trying to get like a profile, and I was like, "Dude, stop! Like, what are you doing?" He's like, "Don't worry about it." And then at Christmas, I opened that up, and he's like, "Do you remember when I was taking those weird photos of you?" Yeah.
Where do you even like get one of them?
He had it like custom made. There's like an artist that like does like a 3D rendering from your photos, and then
That's
custom
so
makes
cool.
it. Yeah. I thought that was very creative.
I love that. That's great.
Okay. Nice and easy here.
Oh, I felt that. That
Good.
was deep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Back.
Yeah, you're good right there. We'll lay you flat on your back.
Yeah, it's like the lower back. I have the hardest time, like getting that myself.
Yeah. It can be difficult. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the hips now. So for this one, just keep your leg as loose and relaxed as you can. Good. And we're gonna do your knee. Perfect. Okay, then we're gonna do this side. Good. And your knee. There we go. Perfect. How'd those feel?
Yeah, it felt good.
Good. And let's have you go face down, and we'll do your mid back.
Wow, tossing and turning.
Okay, and you just drop those arms down. Good. Okay. Deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. Deep breath in and out. Let the shoulders fall. Good. Awesome release. Okay. Good.
Yeah, I sit at a computer all day and I feel like I'm like just all crunched up the whole time. Oh, it feels good. It's just a weird sensation.
Yeah. Especially with the wrist, it's kind of like very crunchy sometimes. One more. There we go. Good. That was a loud one.
It's crazy. I feel like a lot of people forget about the elbows.
Yeah. A lot of stress.
Oh, yeah.
Let's have you bring your chin down to your chest. Good. Look up to the ceiling. And then turn over your left shoulder. And your right.
Okay, yeah, I can feel that that's like looser.
Yeah,
That's
feels
awesome.
better.
Yeah.
And let's have you touch your toes.
Oh, yeah, even got a little more extension.
A little more
there.
range. And then come on back. Good. Yeah, and then how the hips feel.
Oh, yeah, that feels. Oh, it's so crazy how, like, you don't even realize how tight you feel. Because I'll do these at the gym too, and then, yeah, that feels so much better. It feels so much looser.
Yeah, sometimes until you get like adjusted or you just like have something move, you're like, oh my God, I didn't realize how stiff I was.
Yeah, absolutely. 100%.